Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform introduced in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. It is not just a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but also a platform for building and running smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. At its core, Ethereum operates on a blockchain similar to Bitcoin's, but with added functionality. It enables developers to create and deploy smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined rules and conditions. These smart contracts run on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, a decentralized Turing-complete computer that executes code across the network. What sets Ethereum apart is its ability to support dApps. Developers can build applications on the Ethereum platform using smart contracts, allowing for decentralized and trustless interactions. These dApps can range from decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, to decentralized exchanges, games, and more. Ethereum has its native cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH, which serves as a means of exchange within the Ethereum network and incentivizes participants to maintain the network's security and integrity. Additionally, Ether is used to pay for transaction fees and computational services on the platform. The Ethereum ecosystem has grown rapidly, attracting developers, entrepreneurs, and users from various industries. Its open nature and flexibility have spurred innovation and the development of a vibrant community. However, it also faces challenges such as scalability and the need to transition to a more energy-efficient consensus mechanism. In summary, Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables the creation and execution of smart contracts and dApps. It has broadened the possibilities of blockchain technology, offering a programmable and decentralized infrastructure for a wide range of applications and industries. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.